What if I told you you don't need a raise, you don't need a second job to have more money? Sometimes the fastest way to get richer is simply to stop making dumb financial decisions. And the scary part is, most people don't even realize they're making them. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 money mistakes that are quietly keeping you broke and how you can fix them starting today. Mistake number 1, wrong priorities. Let's start with the biggest one, having the wrong priorities. Think about it like this. You can't run before you learn how to crawl. But when it comes to money, people try to invest, flip houses, buy stocks, while drowning in credit card debt. That makes no sense. If your credit card is charging you 20, 25, even 28% interest, why are you chasing a 10% return in the stock market? You're losing money every single day. So step 1 is simple. Pay off high-interest debt first. Then build an emergency fund, at least $2,000 set aside, not for shopping, not for vacations, but for life's emergencies. Because without a foundation, you're building your finances on sand. Mistake number 2, credit score obsession. Mistake number 2, thinking your credit score makes you rich. Let me be real with you. An 800 credit score doesn't mean you're wealthy. It just means you're good at paying your bills. That's it. You can have a perfect credit score and still be completely broke. Because what are most people doing? They use credit to buy things that lose value. Cars, clothes, vacations. So now you look rich, but you're actually just paying interest every month. A good credit score can help you get a better mortgage, sure, but it will not build wealth for you. Assets build wealth, not credit scores. Number 3, living fake rich. This one hurts because it's everywhere. People buy the luxury car, the big house, the designer clothes, not because they're rich, but because they want to look rich. But here's the truth. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. That expensive car, it's not making you money. That big house, it's draining your bank account every month. Mortgage, insurance, taxes, maintenance. You're not building wealth, you're funding someone else's. Real wealthy people, they focus on buying assets first. Then they upgrade their lifestyle later. Mistake number 4, not investing in yourself. Mistake number 4, not investing in yourself. This one is sneaky. You finally save some money and now you're scared to spend it. You think, if I spend $500, I'm losing money. But what if that $500 could help you make $5,000? A new skill, a course, a business idea. Sometimes not spending money is actually more expensive. Also, your time matters. Trying to do everything yourself just to save a few dollars can keep you stuck. Wealthy people don't just save money, they buy back their time. And finally, mistake number 5, treating investing like gambling. Everyone wants to get rich fast, so they chase crypto hype, meme stocks, day trading, hoping to double their money overnight. And sometimes it works, but most of the time, people lose everything. Real wealth is built slowly, not in 6 months, not in 1 year, but over 10, 20, 30 years. It's boring, it's steady, but it works. So you have a choice. Chase excitement and risk losing it all, or stay consistent and actually build wealth. At the end of the day, building wealth isn't about doing more. It's about doing less of the wrong things. Fix your priorities, stop chasing status, invest in yourself, and play the long game. Because the people who win financially aren't the smartest, they're the most consistent. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.